Hello there, guys. My name is Patrice, and I'm going to be a Java instructor for today. I've been working on Java for over 10 years now, and Java is one of my favorite programming languages. So I'm not even exaggerating when I say I'm really excited to be teaching you guys this topic. Now, throughout the years, I've been fortunate enough to be able to build Java applications, from Android apps to mobile games, Java applets to desktop applications. So Java has really had a huge impact in my life, and I'm hoping to be able to share that experience with you. I'm hoping that you guys are going to love it just as much as I do. And so without further ado, let's just get started. Okay, what exactly is Java? Well, Java is a programming language. Let's take a look at it. Yes, Java is a C-style programming language. Now, don't worry, you don't need to understand what that means right now. I'm going to make sure that I explain every single thing as we go through this course. But it was originally developed in 1995. And in 2006, it was made to be a free and open source software. So that means that every single person can be able to use it for their own projects. So Java is a very robust language. It's very simple. It's something that anyone can pick up within a very short time. So when we get to writing the Java code, you're going to understand exactly what it is that I mean. Okay. So I know I've mentioned that it's a programming language, but what exactly is, first of all, what's a computer program? A computer program is a set of instructions. Now, the definition that I've written here seems kind of complicated, but basically what it says is that a computer program is a set of instructions. Now imagine that you are giving your friend some instructions to go to a certain place, right? You're probably going to tell them, drive 1 mile, take a left when you reach this sign, when you reach this certain place you can stop. So those are instructions that you're giving your friend. So when you're writing, when you're programming a computer, that's what you're doing. You're giving it instructions. So a computer program is that set of instructions. And yes, I'm talking about every single computer program, even the very complicated ones, something like Photoshop, Illustrator, a mobile game, Angry Birds. All of these programs are sets of instructions. They are telling the computer what to do. When the user clicks on a certain thing, you're supposed to do this and this. When a user moves forward, this and this is what you're supposed to do. So that's what a computer program does. So a computer programming language is a language that is used to control the behavior of the machine. So a computer program is written in a programming language. I think about it this way. It's like when you're trying to give a computer instruction, it's like there's a language barrier. So you're supposed to be able to navigate through that language barrier. Now, there are several different programming languages. The same way there are several different languages in real life. Okay, so and I know you may be asking yourself, why is it that there are so many different programming languages? Well, the truth is there is a computer language, but now the problem is it's very hard to understand. There's a machine language out there, and it's really hard to understand, and it's very hard to code. So what a programming language does is that it converts the data that you put into the machine language that the computer can be able to understand. So that's what a programming language does. So there are several different programming languages. Some look more similar to the others. And I remember I mentioned that Java is a sister language. It means that Java looks similar to the language C. There's a language known as C, and Java has been derived from it. So Java kind of looks like C. And there are several C-style programming languages. Another one is C++, there's C#, there's PHP also kind of looks like C. Some may call it a C-style programming language. And then there are other computer programming languages which do not look like C. An example of such a language is Visual Basic. Okay, so these languages have not been derived from C. So different programming languages are used to create different types of applications. So depending on what exactly it is that you want to build, you're going to choose a different programming language. So when you want to create mobile apps, mobile games, Java applets, that's when you use Java. So that's my introduction to the programming languages, and I really hope you guys will be excited to dive deep into Java.